Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love a good latte with espresso in my froth milk in the morning. And this espresso machine by Atatix has been giving me just that. This machine is so easy to use. I love that in the instructions manual, it actually gives you the weight of the grounds and how much you should be extracting to make sure that your grounds are the proper consistency. Once you have the grounds inserted, you hit the button once or twice depending on if you want one or two shots. I always go for two because who doesn't need an extra shot of espresso at all times? It also comes with the attached steam milk frother, which is super nice so I can have nice frothy milk. The thing that really stood out to me about this espresso machine over others is how compact it is. So it covers all of my espresso needs, but it takes up very little counter space, which is super important to me because I have extremely small counters. Another really nice feature is the steam wand. You can actually use just for hot water. So if you are looking for a very nice quality compact espresso machine, this one by Additix is definitely recommended by me, but that's just my point of view.